Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how we can use the waterlog mode in Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So the first thing that you want to do is that when you're going to turn on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, you want to swipe down, and right here you can have these drops here on your quick settings menu. So I'm going to press it, and then what is going to happen that you're going to have the waterlog mode, and I can only use the rotating bezel if I want to, but that's pretty much it. I'm clicking on it and everything, and it's just not doing anything. So now I'm going to turn off it by just holding this top button. Okay, now we're going to shake it from the water, and that's how we're going to do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day, and if this video helped you, definitely write down below in the comments that it was helpful and like this video. Have a great day and goodbye.